Hello, good morning. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing very well. Okay, we have been learning verbs over the past few weeks because I told you that for us to learn any language properly, we need to learn the verbs in that language. So that's why we've been learning all these verbs, and I hope you are learning them. It's very important. Very, very important. Now let's go and take a look at a few other verbs today. The first verb is the verb iza. Iza, that is to sweep. Za, sweep. Zara, swept. Naza is sweeping. Gaza will sweep. Azago has swept. Azari did not sweep. Anariaza is not sweeping. Agariaza will not sweep. Azabei has not swept. Now, places you can sweep, you need to learn it so you can be able to make proper sentences. You can sweep Ulo. Ulo is house. You can sweep Ezi or Mbara. Some people call it Mbara. It's compound. You can sweep Imolo. Imolo or Mburu. So some people call it is room. You can sweep Ebenile. Ebenile is everywhere. You can sweep Ebobola. Ebobola is anywhere. Now let's make a few sentences. Chika azabegi imolo. Chika has not swept the room. Za ebenile, sweep everywhere. Ozagi ebobola, he did not sweep anywhere. Umuaka na azezi, the children are sweeping the compound. Hazara Olo, they swept the house. Chioma Zago Iholo, Chioma has swept the front of the house. So let's take a look at another verb, Isaho. Isaho means to bath. Saho, bath. Saraho, bath. Nasaho is bathing. Gasaho will bath. Asagaho has bathed. Asayaho did not bath. Anayasaho is not bathing. Agayasaho will not bath. Asabeyaho has not bathed. So let's make sentences with the verb to bath. Chibika asabeyaho. Chibika has not bathed. Anyị ga-asa ahụ where we bath. Ị na-asa ahụ, you are bathing. Eze nwa sara ahụ, eze nwa bathed. Kene agaghị asa ahụ, Kene will not bath. Mine saa ahụ, Mine bath. So these are the ones you're going to try by yourself. Try it. Use them to make sentences. Don't just write them, practice them. Asabeghị ahụ, ga-asa ahụ, azaghị, zara, anaghị asa ahụ. Keep practicing until you get used to them. Daalụnụ.